Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to change Instagram password in mobile phone. So most of us are using Instagram on our mobile device, and due to the changing scenario when the cyber crimes are rising, so it is always a good cyber hygiene and good cyber practices where you should change your password regularly. So the frequency of changing password, it can be 15 days, 1 month, and so on, depending upon your availability. But you should regularly change it. That is mandatory. So that your account should not be hacked. There should not be any kind of cyber threats which you receive on your Instagram account. So to perform that operation, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings, and to go to the settings, what you have to do is at the bottom you can see your account icon at the right side. Just click over it, and then at the top you can see the three horizontal bars at the right corner. Click over it. Then the first option is settings. Click over it. Then the next option you can see that just below the supervision option you can see an option called security. Click over it. Then you can see password option under the login security, the first option. Click over it. And now what you have to do is you have to first input the current password, whatever it is. Okay, AST@123. Then here I will put the same password, AST@123. Fine. So once you have done this, then at the top right corner you can see a blue that is check button. Okay, so you need to just click on this button, that is the check button, to submit your options. Suppose if you have forgotten your old password, in that case there is another option by which you can recover your Instagram account, and you can change the password of your Instagram using Facebook. So if you want to see that video, then you can check our playlist under the Instagram tutorial, and you can watch that video too. I will also give link of that video in this particular description of this video. Fine. So just click on this button and automatically it will change your password. So since I have not put my old password correctly, so it is giving the error, else it will perform the designated operation. So that's it for changing the password.